Добрый день! In this video we're speaking about gender, род. And we're going back to our personal pronoun table. So let's see what we already know. We already know the difference between ты and вы. We know that ты is a singular informal word and we capitalized is singular formal word. We not capitalized is plural word. And both in English would translate as you. There is nothing tricky about the first person, so I, я, мы, we. The only thing that you need to remember is that in Russian we do not capitalize я ever, unless it's the first word in a sentence. And this actually reminds me when I was growing up, my elementary teacher would constantly tell us if someone would say yeah something, complaining or expressing our opinions, things like that. She would always say that yeah is the last letter in the alphabet. So kind of teaching us to be selfless and put other people first, things like that. Anyways, we don't capitalize yeah, and that will be I, мы, we, ты, вы, you. And right now we're going to focus on the third person singular. So we've already discussed on она, he and she. We're going to talk about them a little bit more. We're going to add another pronoun, оно. Look at that. And then very soon we'll be coming back to this table for the last pronoun here, the plural one, они. So we've already seen that masculine words end in a consonant and feminine words end in a or ya. So whether it's a personal pronoun like on, она, he, she, whether it's a noun, and it can be proper noun, names of people and places, or it can be common nouns, it can be possessive words like my, it can be adjectives, any kind of describing word. So regardless of what part of speech that is, noun, pronoun, adjective, there is gender. And when you see a word ending in a consonant, any consonant, we have 21, including E, including all of these, you know that that's a masculine word. And when you see a noun, pronoun, or adjective ending in a or ya, you know it's a feminine word. So we have on, he, она, she, Vladimir. When we look at full names only, not nicknames, but full names only, we know right away whether it's a man or a woman, even if we're not familiar with the name, looking at the last letter. If it's a consonant, it's a man. If it's a vowel, it's a woman. Consonant, it's a man. Aya, it's a woman. So it's really important to know gender of nouns in Russian, because if you want to describe them in any way, use any kind of describing words with them, like possessive word my, you need to choose the right form of that word to match gender. So if, for example, I'm talking about my brother, brat, which is going to be a masculine word based on meaning and based on the last te consonant, I would say мой брат. If I want to talk about my sister, сестра, which ends in a, again based on the meaning and on the ending, I know it's a feminine word, I need to use feminine form of my and say моя сестра. So in professions, some professions have only one word for men and women, like professor, we use that with both. But words like student has two forms. Student will be a man, studentka, a woman. So when you're describing yourself, keep that in mind, so ending in a. When we talk about nationalities, the same thing. Amerikanец, that's American man, Amerikanka, American woman. Русский, Russian man, Russkaya, Russian woman. I'll continue in the next video.